Assalamualaikum students. This video is on exercise 1.2 question number 3 and question number 4. Question number 3. From the following matrices, identify diagonal, scalar and unit matrices. Diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix is a matrix in which at least one element on the diagonal is non-zero and all the other non-diagonal elements are zero. In scalar matrix, all the elements on the diagonal are same, and in identity matrix all the elements on the diagonal are 1. Matrix A. In matrix A, we can see that on the diagonal the elements are same and all the other non-diagonal elements are 0. So it is a diagonal matrix and a scalar matrix. Moving on to matrix B. In matrix B, all the diagonal elements are non-zero and all non-diagonals are 0. So it is only a diagonal matrix. Moving on to matrix C. In matrix C, all the elements on the diagonal are 1 and all non-diagonal elements are 0. So it is a diagonal matrix and a unit matrix, or we can say identity matrix. Matrix D. In matrix D, all the elements on the diagonal are not 0. There is only one element which is non-zero, and other than that element all elements are 0. So it is only a diagonal matrix. Moving on to matrix E. In matrix E, the elements on the diagonal are 5 minus 3 and 1 plus 1. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So all the elements on the diagonal are same as in scalar matrix. If all the elements on the diagonal are 0 and all other are zeros, then it is a diagonal matrix, and as we can see the elements on diagonal are same, so it is also a scalar matrix. Moving on to question number 4. In question number 4, it says find negative of matrices A, B, C, D and E. We have to find the negatives of the following matrices. Matrix A is equal to 1, 0, 1. So negative of matrix A would be negative A is equal to, we will change the signs, which will be equal to minus 1, 0 and minus 1. For matrix B, the negative of B would be negative B is equal to negative 3, negative 2, 1 and negative 1. For matrix C, negative C is equal to negative 2, negative 6, negative 3 and negative 2. For matrix D, the negative of this matrix would be negative D is equal to positive 3, positive 4, negative 2, negative 5. For matrix E, the negative would be equal to negative 1, negative 2, positive 5 and negative 3. That is all for today.